Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm bringing you a review of a super practical and top-rated product that's perfect for keeping your kitchen or bathroom organized. It's the stainless steel kitchen sink caddy, a no-drill, wall-mounted sponge holder that helps save space and keeps your cleaning essentials neatly in place. I'm so excited to show you this because it's such a simple but incredibly useful product. If you're like me, you probably get annoyed when your sponges and brushes just sit on the counter or in the sink, getting soggy and messy. This caddy solves that problem beautifully. Let me tell you why it's worth getting. First off, it's made of stainless steel, which means it's durable and built to last. It won't rust even in wet environments like your kitchen or bathroom, and it's super sturdy. One of the things I love about this caddy is how strong the adhesive is. You don't have to worry about drilling any holes into your walls. It sticks firmly to smooth surfaces like tiles or glass and stays in place, even when holding wet sponges or heavy brushes. I've even seen some people use it outside for hanging things like garden hoses, which shows how versatile it is. The design is also great for keeping your sponges dry. It has an open bottom style that allows water to drain directly into the sink, which helps prevent your sponge from getting gross and smelly. Plus, it keeps everything out of the way, so your sink area stays clean and organized. You can also use it for other things like brushes, towels, or even small kitchen accessories. What's really awesome is how easy it is to set up. You just peel off the backing, stick it on a smooth surface, and you're done. The adhesive is strong and reliable, so you don't have to worry about it falling off. And if you want to move it to a different spot later, you can easily do that without damaging your walls. Now, the feedback on this caddy is overwhelmingly positive. People have mentioned how sturdy and well-made it is. A lot of them love how practical it is for organizing their sink area, and how the good adhesive really holds the product in place. I've even read reviews where users bought multiples because they loved it so much. Some are using it for more than just sponges, like hanging towels or even garden hoses. Overall, this stainless steel kitchen sink caddy is a must-have if you're looking for a simple, space-saving organizer that gets the job done. It's practical, durable, and super easy to install. If you want a clutter-free sink area or a more organized bathroom, this is definitely something you should check out. As always, I'll leave the link to the product in the description below so you can grab one for yourself. And don't forget, if you want to save even more, use the coupon code COM93176 to get an extra 30% off your order on Temu. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more product reviews and hauls, and let me know in the comments if you've used anything like this before or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.